Good morning, everyone. As you know, I am Kim. This is my channel, and welcome if you're new. If not, hello and good morning, my YouTube family. I am, I'm at a standstill. I'm at a lull. So I woke up this morning and I'm just like, the same thing every morning. Everything's going to be great. Everything's going to be good. I'm going to move forward. I'm going to move on. Don't know why I'm having such a hard time with life right now, but it seems like I am. So with all of that, let's go into what has been going on in my world. So as you guys know, I have been doing counseling now. I had a session last week, which I haven't really talked about my counseling sessions. The first counselor I had, I don't think I connected well because he was very silent and I was just talking. Like I felt like I was talking like right now into this camera, or nobody was answering me. So his schedule and my schedule kind of clashed. So I couldn't really get to the gist of meeting back up with him at a certain time. So I chose a new counselor, and basically, so far so good. I'm working on some things, I feel like, and trying to push through some things. So as an overall, I think it's working out for my good as of right now anyway. Like I said, this is the first time I ever have gone through a counselor, so I haven't really known what to expect, don't know what the outcome is, but I feel like, we're starting to make some progress. And with stating that, I'm at a lull with this weight loss. It's been 6 months since I've started this. Actually, it's been longer. What is this, September? So it's been 8.5 months, because I started like towards the middle to end of January. So I guess 20 pounds is good. I'm still right at that 20. Like I haven't really gained. I maybe gained 4 here, took 2 off here, gained 1. So I'm kind of like floating back between 15 and 20 pounds. So I guess that's pretty good for, all being said and done. I've let too many people's reaction play too much of a toll on me and my life, is the bottom line. So when I get upset, when I get angry, when I get sad, I'm looking for that hug. And I'm looking for that comfort, and I'm looking for that love. And who loves you better than, Ben and Jerry? He can put a big old hug on you, right? So that's been my problem, and that is where I'm at, and that is what I am acknowledging, that food is my hug. It's my comfort. It's my go-to, I guess. So anyway, so we've gotten that decided, right? That's what I have come to my conclusion this week. So I have to stop getting so much love. I can't handle any more love. So I really have to focus, and I really have to sway myself from going and doing the wrong things. And my God, I'm an adult. I can say no. No is no. So that is what I am going to try to start doing this week. And, I don't know. I'm hoping with me sharing, because I am sharing it all. I'm hoping with me sharing on this channel that there is somebody who is sitting there and they're like, oh my gosh, you know what? That is me as well, So there's a lot of things that go on in everybody's life, and there's a lot of good things, there's a lot of bad things, there's a lot of you know, loneliness. I mean, I can't be the only person who feels lonely. Um, and I'm sure that there's a lot of people who are, buddy, what are you doing? Stop. Buddy's being bad, you guys. So anyway, I'm sure that there's a lot of people who are in the same kind of situation, maybe. I don't know. I might be the only person in the world who is feeling the way I'm feeling. And if I am, that's fine too. But I just want to let you know that, you know, this is a struggle. This is a huge struggle for me. And I was so excited in the beginning. I was so excited. I was losing the weight. And now it's just kind of like this, you know, like I don't have that excitement. I don't have that need or that want, you know. And that's what I have to get back, because I need to lose weight. I want to lose weight. It's just my brain is like, you want those cookies more than you want to lose that pound, right? So that's what I have to overcome with this. And you can be on Weight Watchers, you can be on Slimming World, you can count calories, you can do almost anything other than taking that shot. That shot's going to make you lose weight, I think, no matter how you're feeling. But no matter what plan that you have picked and you've decided to do or you are pursuing, it's not going to work if your heart and your mind are not in it. So my heart and my mind have a life of their own right now. My heart is fighting my mind, and it's just been a huge issue with staying on plan. You know, last night I bought donuts. Like, I didn't need those, but they're good going down. Then after they go down, you're like, what did I do? You know? So today is Tuesday, and it's going to be the first day of me really getting back and really focusing and really doing what I need to do. I have my water I'm taking to work with me. Work is another one, because, you know, I'm working 6 days a week right now, and it's long hours. Like tomorrow I'll have a little bit shorter of a day, but not real short, because we're getting ready for inventory. So I have help, which is good, but the help is going to be, again, getting ready for the inventory. So I am just ready to get some time. You know, in my perfect world, I wouldn't have to work. But I've had to work since I've been 16. So, well, I didn't have to work at 16, but you know, when you're 16, you want your own money. You want to be able to go buy what you want to buy. My parents never made us go to work, ever. That was like my own decision to do. So, but now, what I wouldn't do to not have to go to work. But I do have to, and I got like 10 minutes here left on getting to work. So I know I showed you my cook with me. I have that food in the refrigerator, and I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not feeling it anymore. Like, see, I have it. I'm good for a day. I'm good for maybe a day and a half, but then I don't feel it. I don't want that food. So I think by the time I get home at nighttime, I'm so tired. So today for lunch, I will have more chicken salad. I will finish up the deviled eggs, but I'm just like, at nighttime, I'm not feeling it. So I'm going to just try to start fasting at night. You know, people fast in the morning. I'm going to try to end my day before I even come home, and just try not to eat. Go to bed hungry. We'll see how that works. So anyway, and anywho, I just kind of wanted to touch base with everyone and just let you know where I'm at, how I'm feeling. And Weight Watchers, my series was up with them. Like my $11 a month was up. So I'm not doing it. At this point, I need to watch every penny that I have. Buddy, I need to watch every penny. So I paid for that Lose It app. If you guys remember, I was on the Lose It app. I said it wasn't working because I just was eating too many calories. I'm just gonna have to do that faithfully right now. So I'm gonna go back to calorie counting. And I did start this morning with it. So I had some oatmeal, I had eggs, I had some Canadian bacon, and 1 piece of toast. I'm hoping that with eating that, I ate that at like 6:30 this morning. So I'm hoping with doing that, I can get through until lunchtime. My lunchtime is around 1:30, 2 o'clock, just depending on when I can get away. So then I am hoping to have a larger lunch. Then if I come home and I need a little snack, I can have some cheese and crackers, something like that. So that is my plan for the day. And the Lose It app, again, I'm using my phone, so I can't really show you guys too much of what I'm doing with it. But with the Lose It app, you do get to choose if you want to lose like a pound a week, if you want to lose 2 pounds a week, if you want to stretch that out. It asks you, do you want more calories at a certain point of the week? So like have less calories Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, have more calories Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I chose to have the remaining calories the same throughout the week. And my calories are 1900 that I get. So I will have 1900 calories a day, and then I have to call it quits. So I am going to be following that a lot. Now, my mother brought me my old LA weight loss kit that I have. I've been seriously thinking about getting back with that. So let me know if you guys would like me to start that, just to kind of let me know your feelings. Let me know, what do you feel I should do? I'm not going to do something I have to pay monthly for right now. I have to do this to where the Lose It app counting calories I've already paid for, so I don't have to pay for that again until I think March. So, and for $49 I can pay and I can have that thing forever. So, anyway, so I have the Lose It app. I have the LA weight loss material that I can start doing that with again. And I pretty much, if there's any other programs that you guys know about that are free, let me know. Because we got to do this, we have to do this on a budget. I have to get back to a budget. So groceries are costing me, oh my gosh, I am single. My bill is amazing how much money I am spending on groceries. So I gotta get this all back down, and I need to like really, really, really focus and concentrate. I got lots of bills that I have to get paid off. I have my monthly bills that I already have going. So money is tight for me right now. Very, very, very tight for me. So I really have to watch it. So that's another reason Weight Watchers works for me. I love Weight Watchers, don't get me wrong. But however, I can't afford to do the program. And now it's like $29 a month or something great, $30 a month for that. And I can't even get on my PC with that anymore. Like it's all on your phone. I can do the Lose It app, the same thing. I know, I think Roy, Recipes with Roy, I think he does something called My Bites, which I had done that years ago. I also did, oh my gosh, what was the name of that program? I see it in my head, I can't think of it. There was another program that I did years ago too that was kind of like Weight Watchers, but it wasn't. So anyway, this is where I'm at in life. I'm broke, I'm single, I'm trying to get love and hugs out of a bowl of ice cream. Do you think it's gonna work for me? I don't think so. What? Anyway, my pathetic self is going to get off of here. I'm gonna get ready. I gotta get my shoes on. I'm gonna go to work so I can feed Buddy. Buddy's going to be getting groomed here soon, so I have to save up money for that. That's another expense that is out the window. $100 for the dog to get bathed and a haircut. Maybe I need to watch YouTube videos and learn how to become a groomer. That might be something, right? Anyway, all right, so I'm taking myself on to work, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. No, I have not weighed for 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks. So I have no idea where I'm going to be, what's going to happen. So the scale might be yelling, "Get off me!" I don't know. I have no idea, but we're about to find out tomorrow. All right. Check in with you guys tomorrow. Have a fabulous, fabulous Tuesday. And thank you for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, I so appreciate it. Please, please, please like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you later. Mwah. Bye. Don't forget to drink your water. It's very important.